the video creator. You were watching his videos until now. I am from Germany, and the reason I'm making this video, he asked me for this to make it because we will meet in a few days. I will go to Morocco to meet him again, finally, after a long time. I really miss him, you know, but I am happy and I'm looking forward to see him again. That's why I started to introduce me and to show you what I have to do, because it's a lot to prepare. And the first thing is, look at this hair. It's not nice. I will show you. You see, I want to make it blonde again so that it looks nicer, and I hope he will like it when I come. So enjoy the time with me, and I will tell you tomorrow what is the next step, what I need to do. If you want, give a like. Bye bye.